Hello and welcome to the part 25 of this video series. In this video, we will learn the difference between method hiding and method overriding. So let's open up the Visual Studio and understand this with the help of an example. I have opened up my Visual Studio. So let's create a class, public class. I will name it base class. Okay, let's create a derived class also. Public class, derived class, and this class will inherit the base class. Let's say we have a method in our base class, public void print, and this will write this is from base class. Okay, I will add the same method in my derived class also, and I will change the text. This is from derived class. Okay, now let's go ahead and make the print method in parent class as virtual, public virtual. So we can use the virtual keyword to make our method virtual. Now what we can do, we can override this method. As we seen in the last video, if a method is declared as virtual in parent class, then the derived classes or the child classes can go ahead and use the override keyword and provide their own implementation. So if I want to provide my own implementation to the derived class, I can override the method present in the base class. But let's suppose I don't override the method now. I will just go ahead and write it like this. And let's create an object of the derived class D equal to new derived class. Okay, what is happening here? We have created a variable D that is a reference type variable, and type of this D is derived class, and this D variable is pointing to derived class object. But because derived class is inheriting base class, what we can do, we can change this reference with the base class. So guys, again, this is possible because of polymorphism. If the derived class is inheriting the base class, then a base class reference variable can point to a derived class object. And if I try to invoke print method now, you will see it is invoking the method from the parent class. This is from base class. And this is happening because we are not overriding the method present in the base class. So if child has given their own implementation, and if we want to invoke that particular implementation, we have to create the method of parent class as virtual, and in the derived class we need to use the override keyword to override that method. If I run the program without making any other changes, we are getting the text this is from derived class, because now we are overriding the method present in the base class. So instead of calling the method that is present here at line number 20, it will go and search for the method in the child class and invoke this particular method. So basically guys, this is what method overriding is. Now let's see what is method hiding. We have already seen the method hiding. In case of method hiding, we will not override the method. Instead, we will use the new keyword. So let's do that. So I will remove the virtual keyword and I will remove the override keyword. And instead of using the override keyword, I will use the new keyword. We have seen this in the past video. If we use the new keyword, it means we are trying to hide the method available in the parent class. And if I invoke or if I run this program as it is, you will notice we are invoking the method from the base class. So guys, this is the basic difference between method overriding and method hiding. In case of method hiding, we are printing the message, or we are calling the method that is available in the parent class. And in case of overriding, we are calling the method that is available in the child class. So let's go back to slides now. Okay, so we have seen the difference between the method overriding and method hiding, and we have also seen a demo to understand these concepts. And to summarize, in method overriding, a base class reference variable pointing to a child class object will invoke the overridden method in the child class. Second thing is, in method hiding, a base class reference variable pointing to a child class object will invoke the hidden method in the base class. That also we have seen when we were using the concept of method hiding. In that case, when the class reference variable was pointing to the child class, the method that is available in the base class was getting invoked. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will learn the one of the most important concept in C#, that is method overloading.